So guys, open any browsers to type Google search box to Lenovo IdeaPad Legion 7i on the Google search box. After that, type the Google download driver. Go to this first URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com, and Leon series downloads. Just right click to new tab. So there are two type to install driver. First, you can see this is guys buffering automatic, and this is manual. So if you are select the scan now, so it will detect automatically your system, and then you can download driver. Otherwise guys, this is manual method, so you can select a driver, you can download separately one by one. Then click to guys select the driver, then slow down, click to Bluetooth, and this is Bluetooth Intel driver. Just click to download. This is latest 30 May 2023. Then click to setup, which is downloaded. Then click to yes. Okay, I accept. Then next, install. Then next, install. Then you can see this is Bluetooth driver installed successfully, and then click to OK, and then finished. Then restart your system.